What's up, guys? It's me, Geek. I'm a huge fan of the Mi Max. Yeah, Mi Max is one of the best budget phone of 2018. Now let's jump to the screen. So just try to search the Mi Max on Google. Okay, let me open the Chinese version. Okay, here we go. I mean, this is absolutely beautiful phone. I mean, look at it. Okay, let me translate. I mean, Snapdragon 636. The best thing is the price for around only 250 US dollar. You are yeah, you can get a $400 Huawei Note 10 on a Note 10, which is like blazing fast. But again, for the value of money, you see, you don't need a tablet after this. Literally, you don't need that tablet after this. This is one of the beauty 6.9-inch. I mean, look at it. I mean, Snapdragon 636 is more than powerful enough. The best thing is 3-day battery life. Can you get anything better than this? Again, this is one of the best budget phone of 2018 due to the price, due to the massive display. Simple as that. Also due to the camera. The camera is quite good also. It was me, Jimmy. Check out the links in the description box below. Bye.